Hi legends, can we expect still a little bit higher here from the price of Bitcoin, or are we correcting back to the downside? Today we'll analyze the price of Bitcoin and also go through some exciting news around the world. Also remember, down in the description of this video you will see 𝗖𝗿𝘆𝗽𝗍, 𝗖𝗿𝘆𝗽𝗍, and 𝗞𝗍, three of my favorite exchanges that I use to do my trading. More specifically on 𝗖𝗍𝘍, like I've mentioned during my previous live streams, is a 80k bonus by signing up depending on how much you deposit and trade. And also I will be starting to do copy trading there very soon. So make sure that you sign up with this link and come and follow me as a copy trader. There are only 200 spots available and they are filling up fast. I'm also making a nice little 𝗖𝗍𝘆𝗽 tutorial to show everyone exactly how to use this exchange, how to sign up if you're not familiar with it, how to withdraw cash, how to do copy trading, and also all the settings related to copy trading. I will be releasing that shortly. Let's go look at some fundamental news. First up, lots of target lowering could mean we're setting up for an extended fifth wave move, most common in commodities where most bulls will be wrong as well. So here he's showing a little diagram where you can see a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, an extended fifth wave here to the upside, which is definitely not impossible in Elliott wave theory. And then translating this back into the price of Bitcoin is a 1, 2, 3, and expecting an extended fifth wave here to the upside that could take us as high as $210,000. Next up, just in, Jack Dorsey announces that each month Block will be DCAing 10% of their monthly gross profit from Bitcoin products into purchases of Bitcoin for investment. They plan to buy Bitcoin on a monthly basis starting from April. Right, so still people are buying up the dips. Up next, and here we go, we've often spoken about Mr. 100, and we don't know who this mystery institution, country, or person is, but this person is still buying up the dips aggressively here to the upside. And this person has just bought another 100 Bitcoin and has now reached 4,000 Bitcoin up until today. So still, we don't know who this person is, but you can see that there are still whales out there buying up aggressively, expecting higher momentum in the short to medium term. Next up, 2 days trading after the launch, the Hong Kong Bitcoin ETFs hold 4,088 Bitcoin, very similar to Mr. 100. So here you can see there are still people and institutions buying up Bitcoin where we are right now, accumulating for that momentum here, or the potential momentum here to the upside. Next up, just in, Michael Saylor says you're going to see a parade of famous investors, funds, public companies, and more announcing they're buying Bitcoin. It takes 2 to 10 companies to act, and you kick off the roaring bull market. Okay, so let's see how this plays out. Next up, altcoin season 2024-2025 started. Bookmark this. And here they're also sharing the Bitcoin dominance chart that I spoke about yesterday during my live stream. Zooming in here, you can see also tracking this pennant here to the upside, which is considered a bearish pennant. So price is currently squeezed here and it's getting closer together, and we are now at support here at the moment. If we lose this support, it can be really bullish for some of our favorite altcoins, seeing a massive explosion here to the upside. Will we hold support and go and tap the top of the trend again, or are we going to finally lose it? It's now make or break. Let's see what Bitcoin dominance is going to offer us in the coming days. Next up, US PayPal users can now buy the following crypto coins made possible by PayPal: Solana, Cardano, Chainlink, Polkadot, Shiba Inu, and Dogecoin. So perhaps we'll see a little bit more pumpy action from these altcoins. We'll just have to go and monitor it, but now it's obviously been exposed to a lot more people, especially everyone that has access to PayPal. You can now directly from PayPal buy into these altcoins. So some bullish news still out there, especially for some of our favorite altcoins. Let's go and analyze the price of Bitcoin here quick. Right, legends, looking at the price of Bitcoin over here, this is a trading setup or an idea that I shared with our Legends community. Also a link down in the description if you'd like to join for our Discord Legends community, where I was basically saying that, well, it looks like this could be the local top for now. Also, when you take a fib extension from the low to the high, and you guessed it, everyone that's been following me for a while, you know exactly where this is going. Look at exactly where we got rejected. At exactly the 1.618. These 1.618 levels are just extremely powerful, especially here on the price of Bitcoin. This is where we got the rejection. So kind of what I'm looking at right now is to say that, well, this can either be a corrective wave here to the upside, which could potentially be a C wave, and this is the high for now. Okay, and it's now all about observing how we are going to correct here to the downside. We do have a fresh daily level here, just to highlight it. We have a fresh daily level here in confluence with the 50% fib level over here. The fib taken from the low to the high that we've just made, you can see we have a daily level in confluence with a 50% fib level. So for us to still have a possibility to come and claim this high over here, and where this is potentially a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I would like to see us hold this area. Okay, probabilities increase that if we had to come back down lower and we tap the 0.618 over here, we could definitely still get the bounce here to the upside, make a lower high, and continue the momentum down to come and grab the liquidity below the recent lows. Okay, legends, here on the price of Bitcoin on the 1 hour time frame, something else that I wanted to point out to say, if this scenario that I've just highlighted on the lower time frames play out, where we've basically got a rejection, we are back inside the previous day value area high, and we are going to find downwards momentum here. And if we do bounce and find support by the daily level in confluence with a 50% fib level, there's definitely a chance that we can recover to come and claim the all-time high. And then when we do find strength back above these highs with some nice green volume kicking in here, the naked point of control that I'm watching over here is also very close to the local highs over here, where we could potentially get another SFP, right, struggling to break through this resistance and this pivot over here, where we could see a potential downwards correction here back to the downside. So it's all about observing the price reaction at each level. So a possible bouncing area in confluence with the daily is here by the 50%. A little bit further down is the 0.618, but like I've mentioned, it's just from a probability perspective, it could mean that if we do tap the 0.618 over here, it does increase the probability slightly that you are going to lose, not claim the high. You're most probably going to make a lower high and find continuation here to the downside to come and claim the liquidity below the lows. If we do get the bounce on the 50% fib level, there's a chance to come and claim this high. And if we do have further momentum here to the upside, I want to see how we react at this level. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to know what is the easiest trading strategy that I use for some of my most successful trades to the up or to the downside, go check out this video right now. And until the next one, cheers for now.